Hi, my name is Myra Cagete and welcome to a new video. Sa araw na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung kailan ginagamit ang Mr., Mrs., Miss, Miss at Mix. Ang Mr., Mrs., Miss at Miss ay ginagamit in etiquette to show respect to men and women. Mr. is the short form or the contracted form of Mr. And that is used before names of married men and young boys. So kahit na ang isang lalaki na kaharap mo, kausap mo ay isang kasal na or hindi pa kasal, you can use Mr. Ang Mrs. naman ay ang contracted form or ang short form ng Mrs. So karaniwan, ganyan nating isulat siya, nasa short form na, di ba? So that is used before names of married women. Ang Miss naman ay ginagamit when you refer to unmarried women or young girls. Now, Miss naman, yung ganito kong isulat, yung MS and then may period, it is used when you refer to a woman or to any woman regardless of marital status. Okay? So, pwede mong gamitin yan kapag ang kausap mo ay, or hindi ka sigurado, especially kung hindi ka sigurado kung ang babaeng kausap mo ay may asawa na or single pa rin. So kapag unknown or irrelevant yung marital status ng babaeng kausap mo, then you can use miss. Yung mga yan, usually they are put before complete names o kaya naman surname. Dito sa Philippines, I think it's all about our culture. Minsan, ginagamit natin yung first name. But if we're talking about being formal, about using these titles or honorifics, so they are called honorifics, ang kailangan gagamitin niyo yung mga yan before complete names o kaya naman family names or surnames. It typically comes down to preference. Okay? So kung ang kausap mo, mas gusto niya na tawagin mo lang siya by his first name, for example, you've just met someone and then you say, "It's nice to meet you, Mrs. Smith." And then the other person will say, "Just call me Jane." So it's a matter of personal preference. At kapag sinabi na ng taong yon na tawagin mo na lang siya sa kanyang pangalan, wala nang any titles or honorifics, then syempre sundin mo na lang yon. Now, ano naman yung mix? The honorific mix is used as a courtesy title that gives no reference to a person's gender. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, the word mix was first suggested in the late 1970s as a feminist word for those who didn't want their gender to be revealed in their title. And there are many men and women who use mix for similar reasons today. However, the title has also become popular among those who identify as non-binary. So yun, kung ayaw nilang i-identify yung kanilang gender, then you can use mix. I hope that you learned something new today. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pinay English Teacher, for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.